Good morning, students. This is BN Jha welcomes you in the e-learning class of Modern English School, New Area, Nevada. My dear students, we have studied about lightning, which is a natural phenomena. In our previous classes also, we have studied about different natural phenomena like thunderstorm, cyclone, lightning, etc. Today we are going to learn about earthquakes. Student, earthquake is a natural phenomena which causes great harm to the living being and damages properties. We have also studied some measures to save ourselves from different natural phenomena, natural calamities, but unfortunately we cannot do so with the earthquakes. It is because earthquake is such a natural phenomena which cannot be predicted accurately. Even by any department of science, they cannot say that when the earthquake will occur on the surface of the earth. It can cause damage to the human life and property on a large scale. Students, what is earthquake? An earthquake is a sudden shaking of the earth crust which lasts for a very short period of time. It is caused by a disturbance deep inside the earth crust. The energy stored with the earth's deeper layer over a long period of time is suddenly released, usually in the form of a strain in the rocks, resulting earthquake. Students, there are four major causes of earthquake. The first one is movement of tectonic plates. Second, volcanic eruptions. Third, dislocation of the crust. And fourth, underground nuclear explosion. Let us see the major cause of earthquake, that is the movement of tectonic plates. Students, the surface of the earth is not one continuous piece. It is broken into many large pieces called tectonic plates. Tectonic plate is more like a jigsaw, a block of blocks that fit together. The world is divided into 7 large tectonic plates and several small plates. Due to the slow movement inside the earth, these plates moves with respect to each other by about a few inches in a year, like raft or a gentle ocean. While this may seem very small, the magnitude of energy developed by this movement is enormous. When the movement of the tectonic plate takes place, they may get deformed, they may crushed or fractured, they may even move apart. Such changes in the plates send a tremor or set up vibration through the crust, causing earthquakes. The second reason is volcanic eruption. We know what is volcano. Volcano is a hole in the earth crust through which the molten rocks and hot gases under high pressure rushes out. Students, the energy released during the volcano causes vibration in the earth crust that cause earthquakes on the surface of the earth. The third cause is also very important, and that is the dislocation of the crust. Over millions of years, the movement of tectonic plates have created big points in the earth crust called faults. Most faults occur along the boundaries of the tectonic plates, and these are the zones where earthquakes occur. In India, there are some zones where earthquakes are likely to occur. Among them, some danger faults are Kashmir, Western and Central Himalayas, whole of the northeast, run of Kutch, and some part of the southern India, where earthquake occurs frequently, and these zones are in danger zone. Students, the fourth cause of earthquake is nuclear explosion inside the earth crust. We know nuclear experiments are being done inside the earth crust, and these tests, nuclear tests, cause great vibration to the earth crust, and due to this vibration, energy is released and earthquake occurs. So once again, we repeat the causes of earthquakes and try to learn it. First is movement of tectonic plates. Second is volcanic eruption. Third is dislocation of the earth crust. And fourth is nuclear explosion. So the students, you have to learn, you have to see your book and try to understand the causes of earthquake. Thank you.